Now, students, we have just learned the different features of planning. It is a goal oriented, it is pervasive in nature, it involves mental exercise, it is involved decision making, continuous, futuristic. So, after learning the different features of planning, now we solve the case study. Anupam joins a sales manager of a company dealing with garment manufacturing. Being professional in his approach, he knew that without good planning, he will not able to organize or perform any other managerial function effectively or efficiently. You understood these two concepts, effectively and efficiently? What is this? Effectively means or if efficiently. Effective means you have to complete the work on time, and efficiently means you have complete the work on time with minimum wastage of resources. Only on the basis of sales forecast he can prepare annual plan for its production or sales. Beside, he will have to prepare sales plan regularly on weekly, monthly, quarterly and half yearly basis. While preparing the sales forecast, he undertakes intellectual thinking involving foresight, visualization rather than guesswork, and he has to make sure that all these planning activities coincide with the purpose for which business is being carried out. In the context of the above case, identify the various features of planning highlighted in the above para by quoting lines from it. Means you have also quote the line from which we will find out which feature of planning is highlighted here. So we go through this. So the first one, he knew that without planning, without planning, without good planning, he will not able to organize or perform any other managerial function effectively or efficiently. इस लाइन में क्या कह रहा है कि अगर प्लानिंग नहीं है तो वो नहीं कह सकता कि कौन से फंक्शन को कैसे परफॉर्म करना है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, ये कौन से फीचर को हाईलाइट करता है? प्लानिंग इज ए प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. सो प्लानिंग इज ए प्राइमरी फंक्शन, क्योंकि ऑल द अदर फंक्शंस आर डिपेंड ऑन प्लानिंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, beside he will have to prepare sales plan regularly on weekly, monthly, quarterly and half yearly basis. Means he is continuously plan, चाहे वो वीकली बेसिस पर हो तो फिर मंथली, फिर क्वार्टरली, हाफ, ये क्या हो रेगुलर वे में चल रहा है. मीन्स प्लानिंग इज कंटिन्यूअस इन नेचर. नेक्स्ट, और आपको कौन से फीचर दिखाई दे रहे हैं यहाँ पर? ही अंडरटेक intellectual thinking involving foresightness, visualization rather than guesswork. What is this? Which feature of planning is here? Planning is mental exercise. Then you find out the other one. All these planning activities coincide with the purpose for which business is being carried out. ये सारी एक्टिविटी हम किस लिए कर रहे हैं? ताकि बिजनेस जिस पर्पस के लिए हमने इस्टेब्लिश किया है उसके गोल को अचीव कर सकें. मीन्स प्लानिंग फोकस ऑन अचीविंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. देन कैन यू से वेयर फ्रॉम विच लाइन वी गेट द प्लानिंग इज फ्यूचरिस्टिक? कैन यू फाइंड आउट हियर? आपको इसमें मिल रहा है कि आप कैसे पता लगाएंगे कि प्लानिंग फ्यूचरिस्टिक है? आप किस लाइन से आपको पता चलेगा? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेल्स फोरकास्ट ही कैन प्रिपेयर एनुअल प्लान फॉर इट्स प्रोडक्शन और सेल. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेल्स फोरकास्ट, जो सेल्स का फोरकास्ट है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम ये पता लगा रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर में हमारी सेल्स क्या होगी. means we have to plan. So this is a planning is futuristic in nature. Okay, so this way you have to find out the features of planning by quoting the lines also. Okay.